thought you had a Hemi.
Yeah, well, I had to have a footprint gas pedal installed, so I stole this pile.
My outlaw.
All right, you guys, you ready to see another customer's turbocharged Mini? This is our good friend John, all the way from Illinois. He and his wife put this on a trailer and brought this Mini all the way to us, 2,700 miles, 3 or 4 days, all to do this. Check this out, because it's absolutely worth it. Are you ready? Look at this candy. Ooh, all right. So this is a Jet Motors turbo kit with the blow-through carburetor that comes with the fuel pump, the fuel pressure regulator, and the ignition. So this is the Protronics distributor with vacuum advanced. Now we really like these on the turbocharged blow-through carburetors because we know the advance curve. 17 to 20 degrees at 4,000 is where they like to be. We've got an air fuel gauge with boost gauge in there so we can monitor our air fuel and our boost. We've got this thing dialed and it is awesome. You guys ready to go for a ride in this thing?
That's the Big 10-4.
All right, here we go for another ride along in a Jet Motors Turbo Kit Mini. This is the blow-through carb kit that does come with the fuel injection, pardon me, turbo carb kit that comes with the turbo regulator and the turbo fuel pump and the ignition and the carb and the turbo kit. This belongs to our friend John. And he hasn't driven this car yet, but he is going to, and he is going to love, love, love it. It's awesome. We also installed this really cool gauge down here that is the boost and wideband. All in one, boost and wideband. So that's pretty cool. All right, here we go. Whoa! Hey, it's that hot girl from the carnival today.
I had fun tonight, even though you took me to the carnival that I was already at.
All right. Hop in, good looking.
Wow, thanks for the ride.
So, can I ask you a question?
Mm-hmm.
If I told you you had a beautiful body,
Would you hold it against me?
Sure would.
Sure would.
Oh, thanks for playing along, honey. Everyone, ladies and gentlemen, this is my darling wife, Deb.
Howdy.
So how many gazillion Minis have you ridden in with me?
Tons and tons, but never one with the turbo kit.
This is her first ride along in a Jet Motors turbo kit.
Yeah.
And I promised you I wouldn't go crazy.
Yeah, right. I've heard that before.
I really want to get your opinion on what you think of the sounds. Tell me what you think of the turbo blow off and all of that. When I accelerate, it's going to go psh, and you've never heard that before, so this is going to be the first time for you.
Yeah. I've heard all about it.
This install went along really well. This was really easy. It was fun. Me, Paul, Jim, Ryan, we had a blast putting this one on. John, you're absolutely going to love, love, love this car. We installed a spring on the wastegate actuator this time, and I think we're going to start doing this for all the turbo kits. What that did was keep the wastegate closed, and it really becomes quite linear. And you're going to find out here because I'm going to turn here, and we got a nice clean straightaway. And I guys want you to hear this. Tell me what you think, babe.
Okay.
Here we go.
I better hold on. Oh, wow. Oh, my God.
All right.
That took my breath away.
Did it really?
Yeah.
You're not acting?
No.
Okay, good.
And I hear that noise you're talking about.
Yep, that's the blow-off valve. Sounds cool, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
it sounds pretty cool. Oh boy.
All right.
What'd I get myself into?
Now I'm going to let off right here. There's usually a police officer hangs out right down here.
Lovely.
And I don't want to be breaking any laws.
Yeah, no kidding.
This is nice. I mean, I really love the acceleration, the torque. There's no turbo lag. A lot of people are worried about turbo lag. Now watch this. We're at 1,000 RPM, and I am not going to rev it up. I'm not going to do anything. In fact, I'm going to put it in second. Watch this. We're at 2,000 RPM. I'm just going to lean into the throttle. Look at that. No turbo lag. That was awesome. Until we just ran out of gas. Oh no, we really did run out of gas.
Oh no.
I forgot. Oh God. We're going to call Keith.
Great.
Oh, God. I'm not exaggerating.
I picked a great ride.
Oh, wah, wah, wah. He's on his unicycle. How's he going to bring us that gas can? We are out of gas.
No.
Yep, I completely forgot to put fuel in it. Keith, there's a gas can in building 2. Walk over there. It's the one with the electric pump on it. It's red.
Okay, yep, got it.
And you feel gas in it?
Yeah, there's like a quarter of it, or maybe a third.
Yeah, that's all I need. Can you actually ride your unicycle with that?
Totally, dude. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, bye.
Bye. Look at him.
Oh my gosh.
Maniac.
Oh my gosh. He is. Delivery right on time. Wow.
All right. Thank you, Keith. I don't know.
That one's still going?
Okay, let's go.
It's nice to be rolling again.
We just need gas.
Yeah, amazing. What a little gas will do.
This thing's not electric.
No, not currently.
Man, this turbo's nice. That was uphill, and I was just barely squeezing the throttle at 2,500 RPM in 3rd gear. And just up the hill. The torque is awesome. No, I didn't scare you too bad. I guess I did.
It was an adrenaline rush.
It did accelerate nice, huh?
Yeah.
So,
A little adrenaline won't hurt me.
all you guys need is a turbo kit to impress your gal. Having a nice turbo. Look at this, uphill. Man, that's nice. That never gets old. These turbo kits are selling so well. We have a lot of really happy customers. We have put a lot of them on here at the shop. If you guys don't have a Jet Motors turbo kit, you need to go to jetmotorsmini.com and get one, right?
Yes. Thanks for the ride.
Oh, you're welcome. I brought you back to your place. All right, you guys, jetmotorsmini.com. Get yourself a base turbo kit, a blow-through carb kit, or the electronic fuel injection with throttle body turbo kit. They're all on the site now. Go check it out. See you on the next one.
Bye.